Hi everyone, welcome to English class. Today I'll be discussing Grade 10 English First Flight textbook, chapter number 3. The title of the chapter is Two Stories About Flying. As it is very clear from the chapter, it is about two stories. Okay, so the entire chapter is divided into two. First is a story about a seagull, and second is a story about a person. He is narrating one of his experience, right? So it is two stories. So we have to differentiate and study. So we will take the first story in this, and the first story is titled His First Flight. So I'll be providing you the summary of the chapter. Okay. So His First Flight is written by Liam Flaherty, and it is a story of a young seagull who is afraid of flying. So, in the first chapter, we can find that this story is about a seagull. Seagull is a bird that we can find near the sea, which makes a loud noise, right? So, here this is a story of a young seagull who is afraid of flying for the first time. Okay. A family of seagulls lived on a ledge. So, ledge means it is a narrow shelf under a cliff. Okay, a mountain की क्लिफ मीन्स माउंटेन माउंटेन की एक नैरो एज को लेड्स बोलते हैं. वहाँ ये सीगल की फैमिली रहते थे. एंड द यंग सीगल इज लेफ्ट अलोन as he is afraid to fly and is one among the slow learners. So what happened to the young seagull? The young seagull was left alone by his family, and the reason is he is very afraid to fly. ओके उसको पहली फ्लाइट में बहुत ही डर था. वो उसको इतना डर था कि वो गिर जाएगा, उसको कुछ हो जाएगा, ऐसा ऐसा डर उसमें था. इसीलिए उसने फर्स्ट फ्लाइट के लिए बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्टीज फेस किया. वो फ्लाई करने की अटेम्प्ट ही नहीं कर रहा था. ऐसे ही सब मना कर रहा था. ही वाज रिफ्यूजिंग व्हेन हिज पेरेंट्स वेर कमिंग एंड आस्किंग हिम टू फ्लाई विद देम. ही वाज सेइंग दैट नो नो आई एम नॉट कमिंग विद यू, आई विल फॉल डाउन and something will happen to me. Like that, he was refusing from the offer. And he is one among the slow learners. That is also important. He was a slow learner, right? So, as slow learners need more patience, he also wanted that. Okay, it took time for him for his first flight. Okay, all this young seagull needed was motivation. So, what is the problem? He was इन नीड ऑफ मोटिवेशन. ओके, एक्चुअली उसे क्या चाहिए था? उसे मोटिवेशन चाहिए था, इंस्पिरेशन चाहिए था, राइट? बाय वे ऑफ पनिशमेंट हिज फैमिली लेफ्ट हिम अलोन on the ledge and flew away. So as the family wanted to punish him since he is not trying to fly, what did the family do? They just left him alone on the ledge and flew away. They upbraided him, taunted him for his cowardice, and even threatened him to threatened him to let him starve. Okay, so what all the family did? They upbraided him. Upbraided का मतलब है scolded, right? They scolded him. They taunted him for his cowardice. Taunted meaning is making fun. Okay, मजाक उड़ाना. For cowardice, cowardice means it is for that कायरता. ओके, बहुत कायर है बोलकर उस पर मजाक उड़ाया. एंड इवन थ्रेटेंड टू लेट हिम स्टार्व. और उसे बोला कि अगर तू ट्राई नहीं किया, if you are not trying to fly, then we will make you starve. Okay, you will not be given any food. ऐसा भी कहा था. He remained hungry for 24 hours and was unable to shed off his fright of flight. अभी देखो वो 24 आवर्स तक वो भूखा ही रह गया, फिर भी उसकी वो डर है ना वो नहीं गई. He was not able to shed off his fright of flight. देखो उसको उसमें जो फ्राइट थी, फ्लाई करने की जो फ्राइट थी, वो कभी भी हटा नहीं सकता था, क्योंकि उसमें उसको ऐसा डर था कि मैं गिर जाऊंगा. देन हु विल कम एंड हेल्प मी? लाइक दैट ही वाज थिंकिंग. ही क्राइड बेगिंग हिज मदर टू ब्रिंग हिम सम फूड. फिर भी वो बहुत भूखा है, तो उसने क्या किया, इतना साउंड बनाया कि उसकी माँ उसकी भूख पहचान ली और उसने अपने माँ से बेग की, उसके साउंड में बेगिंग, ताकि प्लीज गिव मी और ब्रिंग मी सम फूड बिकॉज आई एम अलोन हियर ऑन द लेज। ओके, वो लेज में अकेला है, पूरी फैमिली दूसरी साइड चली गई, तो उसे बहुत ही हंगर फील हो रहा था, भूखा था, राइट। So let's continue. She picked up a piece of fish in her beak and flew across him and stood just in front of him. तो उसकी माँ, जैसे सीगल की मदर, मदर सीगल जस्ट टुक अ पीस ऑफ फिश इन हर बीक एंड फ्लू अक्रॉस हिम। ओके, उसके पास फ्लू करके आए एंड स्टूड जस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम, उसके सामने आकर खड़े हो गए, मगर उसके मुंह में नहीं दिया। Whatever she's having in her beak, she didn't give it to his beak, but she stood in front of him, just tempting him to fly. Okay, उसे tempt करने के लिए ऐसे ही वहाँ stood, खड़ी हुई। The piece of fish in her beak was almost within the reach of his beak. A piece of fish was very near to him. So, what the young seagull do? The young seagull was mad with hunger. तो यंग सीगल को इतना भूखा था ना, वो मैड हो गया। ही डाइव्ड एट द फिश, उसने ऐसे झट से डाइव किया फिश पर। द नेक्स्ट मोमेंट he found himself falling outwards and downwards into the space. तो द नेक्स्ट मोमेंट उसने देखा कि वो पूरे स्पेस में नीचे आ रहा है, ऊपर जा रहा है, ऐसा ही उसे फ्लाइंग हो रहा है। इंस्टिंक्टिवली ही स्प्रेड हिज विंग्स एंड फ्लैप्ड देम। तो उसने ऑटोमेटिकली क्या किया, उसमें उसके बॉडी में जो विंग्स है वो स्प्रेड किया और उसे फ्लैप किया, तो उसकी जो फ्लाइट है ना वो सही हो गई। ओके, ही सोड अपवर्ड्स। अभी जब उसने अपनी विंग्स को फ्लैप किया तो वो ऊपर उठने लगा। soar means just flying high. Okay, he soared upward and all his fears is gone. Just all his fears vanished. Okay, it was a joyous moment for his family. He forgot that he was ever afraid of flying. अभी ये तो वो पूरी फैमिली के लिए एक जॉयस मोमेंट था, जो उड़ नहीं रहा था, जो सुगल अभी वो उड़ने लगा। Right, so the whole family was enjoying the moment and he also forget that he didn't fly before, वो भी वो भूल गया था। Okay, now he was enjoying his flight, right? So that is our first chapter. So it is trying to convey a message that डर के आगे क्या है, जीत है। So you have to try. Unless and until if you don't try, how can you say that you will be not victorious or victorious? You have to try at least once, right? So this is the message conveyed by the story. We have to be confident in ourselves and we have to try, you will win. That is the policy, right? So hope you have understood it. Thank you.